In this video, I will talk about a little bit the Turicum programming language, which is an experimental language interpreted. The interpreter is written in Java, and it's a functional programming language and object-oriented and dynamically typed programming language. It does have types, but you don't need to specify types if you don't want. And in this video, I will just show you how to use it the simplest way, the REPL application. So generally, I have it already installed. And if I say turi version, then we can say that this is the version from the build that I created just yesterday, because today is October the 4th, and yesterday it was October the 3rd. The version which was in the build system, the real version, and the functionality is more like what will be published and released in 1.5. The operating system is Mac OS, and there are some other versions and other information. If we want to start Turicum with the REPL, then we can say REPL, Turi REPL, and then it loads the .repl.turi file if it's there and executes the commands in it. So as it shows that it was importing system import for debugging and also sets command mode on. We will go into that when we are doing some tutorial on the debugging features of the REPL. And right now we can just type in any turi command, like I will write print line hello world, and then it will print hello world, and also will print out the result of the command itself. And the value of the print line command is the string it was printing out. Therefore, we have hello world 2 times. If I just type hello world, then I get hello world. An expression is also a command and has value in Turicum. What we can do in the REPL is actually type in any Turicum command. And if we want to type in something that the REPL itself will interpret, then we have to use // which is a comment in Turicum itself. So it doesn't look weird that it's either it's Turicum or REPL, and then the REPL should understand that it's not Turicum, it's for me. And it could be easy, like starting something with um, like exclamation mark, but exclamation mark is also for Turicum. Now, how do you know it should be interpreted as Turicum or it should be interpreted as something for the REPL itself? So generally, we can do here commands, and the very first command that is already printed here on the line, and we start and help, which says that print out some help. And then the very important how to exit the REPL / exit. I don't want to exit now, but otherwise it's important. Like many people say that if you know how to exit VI, you are already an expert in that, because that's not that easy. Well, in the case of Turicum REPL, it's fairly easy to exit. What we can do, we can execute shell commands without leaving the REPL. We can include some files, set variables for the REPL itself. And then, of course, we can type in some Turicum commands like let z equal 13, and then it's 13. If I print out it, then it's 13. 13 again, it is printing twice because it's REPL itself is printing out the value. So let's say that I print, and let's print line it, so there is a new line after z, and then I just print out an empty string, or the value, the result of these multiple commands is the empty string, so it just prints out 13. If I want to increase the value of z, I can say zz plus, and then it doesn't work because z is pinned. With let we create unmutable variables. If I want to have a mutable variable, then I can say that mutable variable k equals 1, and then I can say that I want to increment it this way, or I can increment it this way, or I can increment it this way. And if I print, hey, it was already increased, but the value it returned was before the increment. If I use pre-increment, then it's incremented, and yeah, I can also decrement it, and I have many different operations. So generally, uh, this is the REPL, and this is how to use it. And in the next videos, I will show some more features from the language, how you can use it.